Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel order on Foot Hunk. So if you have placed an order on Foot Hunk and for whatever reason you want to cancel them, and what you can do if you have not received the order yet, so what you can do, you can simply go to Foot Hunk and then go to your account. So when you go to your account, just log into your account and then go to your account, and then under orders you should be able to see your order that you want to cancel. So click on the order. Alright, so here, so what happens here, if you want to cancel an order, so you will have an order placed here. So select the order that you wish to cancel. So for example here, so I've got one order here. So if you have already placed this order, then underneath you will see an option on your right saying to view and cancel. So if you want to cancel an order, what you can do, you can simply click on the cancel option, and then that should cancel your order for you. So your order was cancelled. So this is how you can easily cancel your order. In case if you're unable to do it online, then what you can simply do is simply contact Foot Hunk. So they have their customer support team here, so you can reach out to them through email or phone number and then get it cancelled for you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.